Alrighty, here we go. Two boxes of Leaf Valiant football for a break by On-Card Team Case Breaks. We are doing two boxes, draft style. This is box 1, and then we'll do box 2. What? Alright. This is box 1. Joseph Randall. Stefan Taylor. Gold, Le'Veon Bell, 10 of 10. 9 of 10, I'm sorry. Ryan Nazib, 1 of 50. And a Ray Graham Stars. That was box 1. Let's go to box 2. Guys, let me just do this real quick. My little one just fell out of bed. Zach Durst, Kenny Stills, Tyler Wilson purple, Jarvis Jones purple number 25, Tyler Effort. Hold a second, let me save this and I will be right back.